What's up guys, how are you today? I hope you're doing great and I hope you're enjoying the videos here on my channel. If you do, don't forget to like my videos, subscribe and hit the bell button too so you get notifications every time I post a new video and you don't miss anything. Today I'm going to teach you guys the teasing technique. There's somebody asked me, Waleed, there is some fancy techniques you do when you cut hair, and I did a video about point cutting, slice cutting, and today we are going to do the tease cutting technique. Why we do the tease cutting technique and how we do it, let's go and start the video step by step. But before you go, if you like this mannequin, I will leave you the link in end of the video in the description and we can ship it to you anywhere in the world. And some people ask me, Waleed, there are some videos are not playing. It looks like there is a membership. Yes, there is a membership on my channel. There's videos only for members. So if you want to join my membership and see those videos, I will leave you the link in the description below. You can join the membership and watch the other videos. So let's go and start the video step by step. As I said before, I did other techniques. Today we are doing the tease technique. The tease technique, why we do it for? What is the benefit? It creates softness, especially like when we create layers and we want very soft layer blended, like invisible layers, like you don't want to see them. Like they exist when we touch the hair, but when we comb the hair, they look like invisible, you don't see them. If you want to create this softness, definitely the tease technique is the one for you. Let's say now, like when we create just like, you know, the classic layers, we're elevating and we're cutting and then we let the hair go. Sometimes we can see like maybe some lines, you know, and then we have to take the section again and start doing like point cutting technique kind of to soften it and blend it more. Yes, here you go. So now, if we do the tease cutting technique, it's gonna create softness and seamless look from the first step. We don't have to do those many steps to create those like invisible layers and softness. So how we do it? First, I wanna show you the motion of the wrist. The wrist has to be in this kind of motion, like in, out, in, out. And from the side will be like this. Okay, just let your wrist be more flex. So this is the first step. The second step, when we open the shear, so I'm in, my shear is open. When I'm pushing out, I'm closing my blade halfway. I come back and forth. In, open, I'm pushing away, I close. And again, okay, like this. Okay, so it takes a little bit practice, but you get there, guys. As we know, in hair cutting and anything, it's always about practicing. The more you practice, the more flex you'll be, the faster you're gonna be, and you know, just you earn skills by time. You know, just practice it more. So let's say now we're gonna create layers, soft layers with tease technique. Here is depend on the effect and how short the layers are. This is up to you guys. So when we take any section, and here you're gonna determine how short those layers you want them to be. You want them to be too short, so you're gonna elevate higher, mid, and low. Okay? So let's say if you wanna do something like low. So you wanna keep your elevation low, so your layers is not too short and you want to keep them closer to the perimeter. So definitely you're going to be like here and you start doing this. Yes, this is what we just cut. Let it go, and here you go, and create the softness down there. If you want it like to be higher, definitely you want to go kind of like a 90-degree elevation here. And as I said, I open. When I'm pushing away, I'm closing halfway. So from this angle, you're gonna be like this, open, closing halfway, closing halfway, closing halfway, okay? It's all about the wrist motion and close just halfway and push away. So definitely you don't wanna do like this. It's gonna irritate the cuticle, and this is not nice. Just be careful, okay? So let me comb it again, sorry. If you want this mannequin, it's on my website. So let's take the section again. Very important, make sure that your shear is sharp and good blade, okay? Because if the shear not good, you're gonna ruin the hair too. So keep your elevation high, like a 90 degree. And here you go. I'm going to close halfway and I'm pushing away. Here you go. Okay? So now, this is the section I created with the tease technique. So all I do, just comb it a little bit. Here you go. And comb it. And you have this seamless, invisible, soft, gorgeous layers. And you don't have to worry about seeing any line, anything. It's very blended. Okay? And here you go. You see what I'm saying? It's very soft, very beautiful, and you don't have to worry about line. So here you go, guys. If you really like this technique, let me know in the comment below. Put like on the video, share it with your friend. And as I always say, I love you, and I see you. New video, new idea, and ciao for now.